Hello everyone. I have this listing has 3 coordinating fabrics from the Bella Rose collection, and that was a company that sold really high-end bedding in Neiman Marcus and Horchow, which are, if you don't know what Horchow is, it's a really nice magazine. You could order things online. It was really nice. So anyway, I have this pillow sham to show you what the patterns are, and it's just really cool fabrics. And so anyway, let's get started. I've got this fabric, which is a really neutral kind of a burlap. One of the things that I love about this fabric is you can use it for drapes, you can use it for bedding. It's an accent. I mean, you can use it in crafts. I've got about 12 panels of draperies right now in my shop that I made out of it. And this is really cool. You can, because it's a woven fabric, you can pull these little threads out. Let me show you. See? And this is like macrame thread. And I've made tassels out of it. I've done embroidery with it. It's just a really cool fabric. This retailed for $47 a yard. So I've got this piece. I've got this cane pattern is what they call it. And I've got the blue, which is a really, really cool. It's got flecks of gold and brown, and it's kind of a grayish. I'm new at this, so I hope I'm getting this to where you can see it's got kind of a grayish blue. So honestly, everybody's doing gray these days, so this would work perfect with that. So I've got that piece, and I've got a yard of this trim that you can see on the pillow how they did it. This is enough fabric to make a king-size pillow sham, the front only. And these are super high-end fabrics. Like I said, they sold for $47 a yard. And this packet of three pieces and the trim is $10 plus shipping. The shipping is $7.35. It'll be a flat rate envelope. And so for $17.35 you can get these beautiful pieces. Let me show you a picture of the bedding that was sold. It's not a really good copy because it's been copied off from the catalog, but you can see how they used all the coordinating pieces. And this burlap fabric is what I call it. This was the bedding, the comforter, and I have made comforters out of this. It's really nice. So anyway, $17.35 will get you these 3 pieces. Comment below with your PayPal address if you're interested, and I will get in contact with you and get that shipped out to you. You can find me on Facebook at Designs by Debbie. I also have an Etsy shop that is Designs by Debbie Inc. And I'm on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, all the good places. So comment below. Thanks.